guys are watching
Slime Sisters.
But before we begin with today's video, make sure to smash the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications down below.
Only have 5 minutes to do it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the 3 marker challenge. So we're bringing it back a really old challenge, but we haven't done it on our channel yet, so we thought, why not do it? So we have some papers in here. And in here, we have a bunch of markers. By the way, it's an ink pencil. Get it?
Okay, so anyways, it has 2 markers right here, and basically the markers pick up these. I can't take it out, but it picks up.
Here, let me demonstrate it for you.
It picks up those, and then it takes out the marker.
And then how to take it out is you just put it back in, and you
press it out. And this video is not sponsored.
Yeah, it's not sponsored, so yeah, just letting y'all know. So we're gonna go ahead and start. We have 2 rounds, so we're gonna begin with a quick game of rock paper scissors to see who chooses the paper.
And we have no idea.
Yeah, and we only have 1 minute timers to draw. So are you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Woo!
Oh!
All right, I'm so good at rock paper scissors.
It's not so bad.
All right, let's see what I get.
I'm so scared.
A simple dimple. Ooh, okay.
I'm gonna choose my colors first.
So she can choose 3 colors. So I'm just gonna switch it around. I'm gonna give it to you guys your marker. I'll get mine.
Alright, so switch it around.
Open the marker. I'm just gonna twist it a little bit.
It's already open.
We're gonna do it like this. Okay, go.
I'm just gonna pick like one.
Oh my gosh. It's not good. Lucky no!
Yay!
Okay, show them your colors.
Alright, so I got pink, purple, and gray.
Okay. Alright, Sophia, twist it around. Remember.
Okay.
Alright.
This doesn't know the color.
Okay, I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna go for. I don't want a light green. I'll choose. Is it on one?
Yeah.
Ow. Did I get it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I heard that. 8. Did I get one?
Yeah, you go.
Okay. I want to get this one. Did I get it?
Yeah. This doesn't go.
Oh, what? Oh, it came out.
It came out.
Oh,
good. How does this go back in?
Oh,
It's not happening.
we have some technical difficulties. No, did it break?
No, it's
Oh! Okay. So I got this green, which I really wanted, but I also got black and brown.
Yeah, I was laughing when you got the brown. Like, oh, you were about to get the dark brown, like the really dark brown.
God.
All right, so let's get
so
paper.
set the timer.
Set the timer.
Are you ready?
Let me get it.
That took some work to get these in.
Yeah. 3,
Ready?
2, 1,
All
go.
right, we'll
Okay.
start with the black.
So what do we have?
Actually,
What do we
yeah.
have? A simple dimple.
dimple.
Okay, I have
It can look like any dimple you want it to.
I'm gonna do a triple dimple because.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a dimple fidget spinner then because I just messed up.
Right. I'm kind of glad I got black because of the outline.
Okay,
So that's actually not that bad.
The pops are gonna be purple. Like ours is purple. It's like a really dark purple.
So now I'm coloring
Oh no.
the white stuff with
Ooh, that's
brown.
cool. Too pink.
It kind of reminds me of an army simple dimple. Ooh, wait, you know what? That gives me an idea. First, I'm going to
Oh no.
and
Hey guys, with that keeper. Anyways, okay, I'm just gonna do. Wait, I don't know what simple dimple to do, guys.
Okay, Sophia, hands up. Okay. I think we know who.
I'm gonna do a fidget spinner dimple.
Alright, so here's my dimple. It is with 2 pops in it. Oh, sorry, and it's a like camouflageable dimple, so it's like black for the outline, brown for the insides, and then green. It's kind of green, but not
Okay.
and then green for this and like
My simple dimple is a fidget spinner dimple. It has 2 purple pops and 2 pink pops at the middle of the fidget.
Okay, guys, I think we know who won. Who won? See, sometimes the worst is the best.
Alright, so
now we're gonna clean it all up, and then we're gonna go for round 2. Okay, guys, so we just cleaned up. It was really easy. These are really nice, so we definitely recommend you guys to get them. So now we are gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And
wait, what? You chose the last
no,
round.
Ready?
No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No!
I just won. Oh, no, I actually thought I was gonna win. I had strategy. Oh, great. I really hope she chooses a hard one this time. That was a little bit hard.
I'm scared.
Choose one. Open it! Open it! What did you get?
My worst nightmare.
What did you get?
Makeup palette.
Oh, yay! Okay, so if you guys don't know this, my sister doesn't really like makeup. I love makeup, but single day, but yeah!
I'm choosing ball.
No, I'm choosing first this time because you chose the.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I can't take it off. Why is it not coming off? Oh. So I have our marker, so I'm gonna go first. Sophia, switch it up. I'm kind of nervous for this round, but it has to look kind of decent. Did you do it? Wait, what did we get again? Oh yeah, make a palette. Okay. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Alright. I need to get good colors. Okay guys, so that took some work, but now I'm gonna open my eyes. Oh my gosh! Anyways, we got some, well, some people do wear blue, but anyways, we got some green, brown, and blue, which is like the probably.
I'm scared because I don't like makeup.
How did I? Oh my gosh, I knew I was choosing a bad one. Hey! Okay, go.
Hiya!
Okay. Hey, don't put your butter on your paper.
I got something bad.
Ooh. Those are more decent colors because more people wear like normal colors like that. But we're gonna make our palette. I really don't know how I'm gonna do this, but are you ready for the timer?
Almost.
Oh my goodness.
3, 2, 1, go!
What? Okay. So first I'm gonna start with the outline.
I'm just gonna do the brown for the outline because I don't like makeup, so it deserves to be brown. Don't mind this, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. She knows what she's doing. I don't.
Alright, this is the design.
I'm just gonna do my makeup now.
Alright, so I kind of forgot that I'm
I'm
only gonna make 2 colors in this makeup palette. Or 3. I'll make 1 brown, I guess. Sophia's so lucky. Not pink.
No, I'm not.
Alright, now I'm gonna do some
This pink barely works.
Oh my gosh, this blue is so pretty. It's so light.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I really hope this green is light too.
Guys, I don't get
Ew, this is a nest. It's like, oh no.
Guys, I don't get into makeup palettes that much.
I'm just gonna decorate it out because I'm technically done. So yeah. Oh. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys mine. So here's mine. This is what it looks like. Don't just ignore that. But Sophia, turn the timer off.
Oh.
So it has brown, I guess. blue and green. So yeah, this is
Okay.
a bronzer.
Guys, this is my word.
I think your nail just fell off.
That was outside.
Oh, okay.
Alright, this is my word of bougie.
Wait, let me see that. Okay, that looks like a boo.
A what?
A boo. Okay,
A
guys.
poppin' boo.
So I think I won this challenge because both of my drawings were actually pretty good, even if I didn't get the most decent colors. But we really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and today's shout out goes to Miriam. Thank you so much for subscribing, watching, and liking all of our videos, Miriam. And yeah, so make sure to smash the subscribe button, just give a thumbs up, and tap on the notification down below. And also, we just want to say thank you for 61 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in another video. So yeah, bye everyone. Peace.